Hey everyone, PLS Prep and Reviews here. Back outside again. It's raining and then we got thunder going on here at the same time too. So just checking out the skies again, see if I see anything weird. Nothing from the north side of us. At least I don't see anything. Can't tell over in that area. To the east of us, it's getting dark. It's dark over there. And to the south of us, look at that. And that's right straight up above me. Look at that. Holy mackerel. That is some dark skies. Just had some thunder going on. Let's walk over so we can see the west side of the sky. Kind of keeping your eyes updated on what's going on. Look at that sky. Wow. Ooh, my goodness, look at that. It is nasty. It is nasty. I don't know if you can hear, but I can hear some thunder. Might not be able to hear it. Whoa, lightning, did you see that? We'll get the sound here real soon. There it is, there it is. There's some thunder going on and lightning as well. Let's see if we pick up any more lightning. Let's check and see. I don't know. Wild. Well, they say that this is gonna be lasting until about 9 o'clock tonight. We have the warnings until then. That's just warnings. I haven't heard anything watches yet. But these are just warnings. And it's raining, as you can tell. It's getting wet down there. More thunder. Crazy world. Crazy today. Well, it's just an update, guys. PLS out, but not gone. Talk to you soon. Bye.